Okay, let's go ahead and first graph these 3 points to find the orthocenter. Okay. Whoop. So, there's my y-axis, my x-axis. I've got the point 0, 3, 0, negative 2. Then I've got the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 3. There we go. All right. First thing we're going to need to do is to find the altitudes. Okay? Now, so we're going to find the equation of 2 of the altitudes. When you find the equation of 2 of the altitudes, you could use the system of linear equations to find the answer. Now, here's the thing. I know for a fact that this is a is a vertical line, right? That means I know for a fact that my altitude from my vertex out here to my vertical line is going to be a horizontal line, correct? Which is going to have the equation y equals, right? What is the y value of this point down here? So y equals negative 3. Very good. So now I have one of the equations of my altitudes. I only need one more equation and I can find the altitude. Now, I'm going to choose to find the slope of this point right here. From this line right here from 0, 3, and 6, negative 3. And when I find the slope of that, I can find the slope of the perpendicular line to that line, right? So let's do that. My slope will equal my change of y's over my change of x. Minus negatives plus a positive, 3 plus 3 is 6. 0 minus 6 is negative 6. So the slope of this line is negative 1. If the slope of that line is negative 1, what is the slope of the line that is perpendicular to it? 1. Correct. So my slope of this line is going to be 1. So let me go back to the equation y equals mx plus b. I know that my slope is going to be 1. Is there a point? So we know a point that is on that perpendicular line. What is it? 0, negative 2. That's right. Where 0 is my x value and negative 2 is my y value. So I'm going to go ahead and plug those into the equation. So I'm going to get negative 2 equals 1 times 0 plus b. So I get negative 2 equals 0 plus b is just b. So b is negative 2. So the equation of my perpendicular line is what? Y equals x minus 2. Now, I'm going to go ahead and extend out my perpendicular line. This right here, the point where they meet, is the orthocenter. What do I know about the orthocenter? Y equals negative 3. That's correct. So what I can do is I can plug negative 3 in for my y on this equation right here, because this is the line where y equals negative 3 will be right here, and you'll get your x value. So let's do that. So negative 3 equals x minus 2. I'm then going to add 2 to both sides. I get negative 1 equals x. So this point of orthocenter, x is negative 1, and my y is negative 3. So the answer, negative 1, negative 3.